Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series videos of hydraulics and pneumatics. In the previous lecture series videos, we have discussed about the introduction of hydraulic system, advantages, disadvantages, applications and limitations. And the second half, we discussed about uh, actuators. So under the actuators, we discussed single acting and double acting cylinder. As a continuation of the actuators, so in this lecture series video, we are going to discuss about the other type of actuators that is called a special actuators. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the tandem cylinder. So tandem cylinder is a cylinder. It is a kind of hydraulic cylinder which is operated by means of hydraulic force. So the hydraulic oil from the reservoir is pumped from the pump and it is sent to the direction control valve. So after the direction control valve, it is sent to the tandem cylinder for the actuation. This tandem cylinder will create a extension and retraction. Force and velocity are the important parameters of the cylinder. So this is the brief introduction of the cylinder. So let us discuss the constructional features of the cylinder. So first of all, uh, this tandem cylinder, how it is differentiated from the uh, other cylinders, that is single cylinder or double acting cylinder. In single acting or double acting cylinder, we have only one piston. But here in the tandem cylinder, we have two pistons which are connected in the common rod. So as we know the relationship between pressure, force and area. So we know that pressure is equal to force by area. Since the pressure is directly proportional with the force and inversely proportional with the uh, area. So here we are increasing the area so that we are the force of the actuator can be increased. So here we have two pistons. For each pistons we have inlet and outlet. So the high pressure oil from the hydraulic pump and the direction control valve is sent to the inlet of the cylinder. So the pressurized oil pushes the piston, both the pistons. Since the area is large, the force associated by the uh, piston rod is also very high. So the piston moves from left hand side to right hand side, which will create a extension of the rod. And the oil from the rod end to this end uh, for both the cylinders will be sent it to the outlet and it is collected in the reservoir via direction control valve. And when you want to make a retraction movement, you need to send the pressurized oil in this port, that is in the outlet port. So the force will be acting on this direction and this direction, rod end of the cylinder. So the piston moves from right hand side to left hand side. So that stroke is called a retraction stroke. And the oil from this end, that is the blank end, will be collected in the reservoir via the direction control valve. So this is the constructional feature and the operation of the cylinder. So whenever you want high force, so that can be accomplished with the help of this cylinder. And the application of this cylinder, so this tandem cylinder is used in hydraulic brakes for heavy vehicles and cars. So here, this is called a tandem master cylinder setup, and this is the container where we are storing the oil under atmospheric pressure, and we have a pipelines for uh, fluid flow in the piston. And here we have two pistons which are connected in the common rod, and this rod here is connected with the foot pedal. So once we press the foot pedal, so the piston pressurizes the fluid, and the pressurized fluid to be sent it to the brakes uh, for both for front and rear brakes. So the braking force will be applied for all the wheels commonly. So here, even though there may be of any small leakage, that will be compensated because we are using two pistons. So the pressurized fluid will be entering into the brakes. So this is the typical application of the tandem cylinder. And the references for this tandem cylinder, first book is Anthony Esposito. It is Fluid Power Systems, uh, published by Pearson Education, New Delhi, and the year of publication is 2003. The second book is Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines by R.K. Bansal, published by Lakshmi Publications, New Delhi, in the year of 2021. So I hope this tandem cylinder video is useful for you. So thanks for watching this video. Um, Thank you so much.